Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve the quadratic equation x square minus 4x minus 12 is equals to 0 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. Now I'm going to solve it with factorization method. So in factorization method, you have to take two numbers such that whose sum is negative 4, the middle term, and whose multiplication is negative 12, the last term. So these two numbers can be 12, we can reach 6 times 2. And if both are negative, sorry, 4 is negative, so you have to take the bigger number with negative sign, and here negative 6 and positive 2. So we can write the negative 4x as negative 6x positive 2x minus 12 is equals to 0. So now from first two term, if I'll take x as common, x minus 6, and from next two term, if I'll take 2 as common, x minus 6 is equals to 0. Now we can take the bracket as common, that is x minus 6. So what is left? X plus 2 is equals to 0. So these are the two factors to find out the solution. Put the factor is equals to 0. So x minus 6 is equals to 0, x is equals to 6, and x plus 2 is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 2. So these are the two values of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down. Thank you so much for watching this video.